In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. So the first thing you need to do is open your Facebook Messenger app. Select your profile picture on the top left and select Archive Chats. In here, you can preview all of your currently archived group chats as well as chat with individual users. To recover archive conversation, simply tap that one and tap on an archive at the bottom. Now, if you wish to recover deleted messages, you have the option to request that on Facebook and sends you a copy of all your data, including deleted messages to users on Messenger. To do so, you'll need to use Facebook on your PC or laptop, or you can use the desktop site on any browsers that you have. So I'll be using that one. Just log in to facebook.com on any browsers that you have. From here, click on your profile image, click on the settings and privacy, and click on settings. And then in your Facebook information section, in here, click on download your information. You can then select the format in which you want to view your data. So just read the additional information regarding this. And to continue, just select types of information. So in here, choose to download your messages. Just click that one. And then tap next. So in here, you have to set a date range where you wish to recover delete messages from. And again, once done, tap next. So you will then have your final review, and when everything is alright, just go ahead and submit your request. And you can check the request when it's ready on your email. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.